River rafting. River rafting in Manali is one of the top things to do in Himachal. The Beas River flowing through the mountains terrain is full of thrilling adventures. Gear up for the thrill of surviving the swift waters on a raft. In fact, this experience is amongst the most favorite memories of a holiday in Manali. River Beas is known as the best stretches for rafting in India, and PD has a dedicated water sports center that provides for a wide range of adventure activities. Paragliding. Mountaining the skies on a glider is among the most favorite things to do in Manali. The thrill of enjoying a flight like a bird promises to awaken the true adventure enthusiast in you. In addition, witness the breathtaking view of Dhuladhar mountain range and the twisty Beas river. The flying time varies according to the winds, but opt for the tandem flights if it is your first time to participate in the adventure sport. The Solang Valley is a popular venue to indulge in paragliding, but Gulaba and Mari are also well-known places which are worth giving a try. Skiing. Manali offers exciting engagement with snow. Skiing provides the perfect opportunity to enjoy the thrill of winter sports. Gliding down the snow-covered slope on your ski and enjoy the beautiful alpine views. It is one of the most sought-after adventure sports in Manali. Some easy runs are provided for beginners who can take a short course or just hire an instructor. Skiing facilities are available throughout the year at Rohtang, and Solang Valley is known for its exciting opportunity of skiing in winters. You can also try skiing in Mari, Gulaba and Dhundi. Hidimba Temple. Hidimba Temple is one of the main tourist places in Manali for visitors. It is a historic temple situated around 1.5 km from Mall Road. Raja Bahadur Singh built the 4-story wooden temple in 1553 in the middle of dense forest known as Van Vihar. The pagoda-style building is dedicated to goddess Hidimba. Although no idol is worshipped here, a set of foot imprints are esteemed as holy. Since centuries, a fair is held every year known as Bahadur Singh Ray Jatar. Get blessing at Manikaran Gurudwara. Manikaran Gurudwara is a famous pilgrimage center for Hindus and Sikhs in Himachal. It is a day trip from Manali. According to the legend, the holy site was constructed by Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji and devotee Bhai Mardana. Also, the holy site is well known for the hot springs. Visit the peaceful Gurudwara and pay homage to Guru Granth Sahib. This shrine is crowded by countless devotees every year. On your visit, enjoy the sacred langar and take a dip in the hot water springs famous for their healing properties.